Hi, I'm Susan Brooks. I am a law school admissions consultant with Admissions Consultants. I was formerly an admissions officer at Georgetown Law in Washington, D.C. and at New York Law School in New York City. And I'm here to talk to you about a number of things to be mindful about when you are thinking about going to law school, preparing to go to law school, and what to do after you've applied. If you've decided you may want to work for a large firm after conquering your JD, just make sure you carefully consider the following steps. A little legwork now can save you considerable time and effort later and keep you on your career path. First, you want to do as much research as possible before you commit to law school. Talk to associates at the types of law firms you want to target. Ask them about the firm's cultures and work hours. We know you may not know if you'll be happy working there until you get a summer associate position, but you can do some background research now that will help you select your target schools. Select your target law schools carefully. Although the top national firms have been casting their nets wider as hiring competition increases, they regularly recruit from the very top schools, and having a degree from one of these schools is going to give you a leg up. Mid-sized firms are reported to be shifting their recruiting process to lower profile schools, and regional firms have their own recruiting preferences. Make sure the type of firm you have in mind recruits at the school you plan to attend. Work smart at your studies. You know there's a learning curve ahead of you for law school academic success. That's why you probably spend a lot of time on your LSAT prep and your applications. So doesn't it make sense to use available resources in this very important endeavor too? We have a number of book recommendations to help you in this often very overlooked area. Work hard at your studies. Your law school GPA is going to make a big difference in your post-graduation career options. Slacking off once you get into a top law school is going to greatly diminish the effort you put into gaining admission to that top law school in the first place. Take your interviews very seriously. Get a leg up on your fellow students by preparing beyond what's offered to you by career services. You should seriously consider getting outside help and an early start with your legal job interview preparations. Again, see our book recommendations for additional guidance in this area. Utilize your summer internship. Use summer internships to gain the practical skills that firms demand of associates and to prove your interest and mettle to your prospective employers. Know what you're about to get into. Also use the summer internships to make sure that an associate's life is what you want. The top firms pay associates handsomely, but they also expect a lot in return for their money. If long hours and limited vacations aren't what you want in a job, rethink your interest in this career track. And if you like the work but don't like the vibe at the place where you're clerking, extend your job search to other firms. You'll be spending most of your waking hours for the next few years there. You'll want to do that someplace where you'll be happy. Please let us know if you have any other concerns or questions about your potential candidacy for law school. We are happy to help, so you can call us at 703-242-5885 or email us at info@admissionsconsultants.com.